To get started, let's type in unity.com into your browser. I'm using Chrome, probably doesn't matter. Should look like this. In the middle it says download. Create with Unity in 3 steps. First, download the Unity Hub. I'm on Windows, but you see there's a version for Mac and a version for Linux.
So here's my Unity Hub setup. Open that. Okay, so if you're a first-time user of Unity, you're going to get this license agreement. And then it's going to ask you where to install. Just default is fine. Alright, so now we'll click Finish and run Unity Hub. If you are new to Unity, you'll need to create an account. So you just fill in the things, email, password, etc. And then create a Unity ID. Alright, so I confirmed my email on a separate device. Let's see what happens. Okay, so you get to this screen, which is useless. So instead, let's go back to Unity. So you need to get back to this screen. You created an account. Now you can sign in. Open Unity Hub. You can skip that. Once you sign in, you should be able to see something like this, Install Unity Editor. So the default location is fine. Install Unity Editor should be a 2022 version or newer. Then you're going to have this personal edition license, a free personal edition license for you. There you go. Agree and get the personal edition license. Okay, this we can say maybe later. And then it should start installing Unity on your computer, and it will take some time to complete.
So I'll time how long this takes for me. So it's been a little more than 10 minutes for me. 1 of 3 completed. So this takes quite a while. So install is complete. Took about 15 minutes for me. Now here, this is Unity Hub. And it's essential that you have WebGL here. So if it's installed automatically, you're good. If it did not, then click the gear, add modules. And you can see there's all these different build supports. Android is for mobile devices, and iOS is for iPad, iPhone. But down here is WebGL. So if yours did not install, then there should be a little box there where you just check it. And then you would say install so that you have WebGL build support. And then it will have to go through another install process. So from this tab on Unity Hub, click Projects. My list of projects is extensive because I've been making Unity things, but yours is probably empty. So in the upper right, click New Project. You have some choices here, 2D Core, 3D Core. 2D is much easier to understand than 3D. So we'll start with that one and give it a project name, Chemistry with Unity. Create project. So this will take some time for it to load up. And so I'm going to stop the video, but I'll come back when it's done. So this is what loaded up after a few minutes. And it looks good. This is Unity.
Everything's blank here, so to give you something to start with, you'll need to import a package. That's my next instructional video.